This is Math 141 practice test number 2, problem number 4. We are supposed to find the inverse to this thing. So there's a couple ways I could go about doing this. One is, I notice that it has an x squared in it. If I think about the graph of that, it's going to look something like that. That's not invertible because its inverse won't be a function. So I might recognize that it has a square in it right away and just say not invertible. If I don't see that right away, I could just kind of go on my merry way and try and find it. Write it as y equals that, switch the x and the y, and then try and solve that for y. So add 25 to both sides. Now square root both sides. And notice when I square root both sides, what happens is a plus or minus comes in with it. So what I end up with is y equals plus or minus square root of x plus 25. This is not a function because one input would give you two outputs. So if it's not a function, that means it's not invertible.